Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you one of the new features of tagging items in FileSystem view, and then they can be viewed in artifact view, which I know a lot of people were asking. So here I'm in FileSystem view. I've just gone to download folder, and here are some files contained within that folder. So if I just begin to highlight a few files here, I've highlighted these four here, right click, and you notice here that there's a saved file as artifact. So if I do that, it'll come up at the bottom left here, new analyst artifact save, and then click on artifact. It'll flip me back to artifact view. Let's load up the records, and then you'll see in a moment in the bottom left hand corner, hopefully, that the processing is complete. So if I click OK, and then you have a new group here called examiner defined. So let's go back to there, and then these are the four files that we obviously tagged in FileSystem view. And now there's a new option as well to remove them as well. So before they stayed, whereas now you can remove them as well. Are you sure you want to remove this one? Let's click OK, and then it'll just reload and then go back down to 3. You see here it's gone down to 3. So that's just one of the new features of tagging items in FileSystem view so that they can be displayed in artifact view.